3, 2, 1.
Which river forms the Iguazu Falls on its border with Brazil and Argentina? The answer is A. Paraná. Which characteristic describes the texture of a kitten's fur? The answer is D. Soft. Which book features a boy named Charlotte who can speak? The answer is D. Charlotte's Web. Where is the International Tennis Hall of Fame located? The answer is D. Newport, Rhode Island. What year was Joe Jonas born? The answer is A. 1989. Where do most amphibians live? Saltwater or freshwater? The answer is B. Freshwater. What Canadian actor played Dr. Arthur Harmon in sitcom Maude and then went on to star in Diff'rent Strokes? The answer is D. Conrad Bain. What is Peter's dad's name on the show Family Guy? The answer is A. Mickey McFinnigan. What is it that you throw away after using once, but is very useful? The answer is C. Tape. What is a situation where the supply of a good or service is inelastic? The answer is B. Inelastic demand. The city of Natchez, founded in 1716, was the capital of which state from 1817 to 1821? The answer is D. Mississippi. Which of these books by Terry Pratchett does not belong to his Discworld series? The answer is C. The Unadulterated Cat. Which fruit has a stem at one end and root at the other? The answer is A. Potato. Which spice is commonly added to pumpkin pie? The answer is D. Cinnamon. Who broke Usain Bolt's world record in the 100m dash at the 2021 Tokyo Olympics? The answer is D. Marcel Jacobs. On which sitcom did Roxy Roker play Helen Willis? The answer is B. The Jeffersons. Robert Downey, Jr. became the first actor to be nominated for an Academy Award for the portrayal of a previous Oscar nominee. What actor did he portray in a 1992 movie? The answer is A. Charlie Chaplin. Which item helps to make art more colorful? The answer is D. Crayon. What tool helps keep the pages of a book together? The answer is A. Bookmark. How many valence electrons can be found in a carbon atom? The answer is D, 4. What famous person made the following observation about fashion? Fashion wears out more apparel than the man. The answer is D, Shakespeare. Ionic, covalent, and hydrogen are three important types of what type of interaction between different types of atoms? The answer is D, bonds. What is the language of the Quran? The answer is C, Arabic. Telescopes use lenses to observe distant objects such as stars. Which term best describes what happens when lenses bend and concentrate light? The answer is D, refracting. What is the longest novel in the Bible? The answer is D, Revelation. What profession does the movie Black Dog and its soundtrack pertain to? The answer is B, truck driving. Which sport has the most Olympic events? The answer is A, swimming. What is the character Al from Quantum Leap most associated with? The answer is A, hologram. What is the successor of the QWERTY keyboard layout? The answer is A, Dvorak. Name the largest mollusk and the largest invertebrate in the world. The answer is D, colossal squid. In the series All in the Family, what nickname was given to Michael Stivic by his father-in-law, Archie Bunker? The answer is D, Meathead. Which movie features the theme song My Way? The answer is A Star is Born 2018. Which of these was not an invention of Henry Ford? The answer is D, Ford Mustang. Which football club has won the most UEFA Champions League titles? The answer is A, Real Madrid. When is the traditional Maltese carnival held every year? The answer is B, before Ash Wednesday. A major source of primary pollutants is the burning of oil and coal, which are types of what? The answer is C, fossil fuels. What's the world's fastest land animal? The answer is A, cheetah. What is a process that changes some chemical substances into other chemical substances? The answer is C, a chemical reaction. What does every star emit that humans cannot see? The answer is C. Radiation. Who is the trickster god in Norse mythology? The answer is A. Loki. In which film does Kevin McAllister get trapped in a department store? The answer is A. Home Alone. An element with which property would be best to use in electrical wiring? The answer is B. Conductor. Which president used to go skinny dipping on warm nights? The answer is C. John Quincy Adams. What is connected to and dependent on the gametophyte? The answer is C. The sporophyte. All lipids have two distinct domains, a hydrophobic and a what? The answer is B. Hydrophilic. What country is the largest producer of strawberries in the world? The answer is B. United States. In 1984, what famous mogul offered a $100,000 reward for proof of the continued existence of thylacines? The answer is C. Ted Turner. Which of these drinks is known for its green color due to matcha powder? The answer is B. Tea. A drawing in which one continuous line is used to trace the outlines of the subject matter using more or less pressure to suggest shadow is called what? The answer is B. Contour. Which bird is known as the king of the jungle?